Team 341. Team 341.
We've been working with this team over here. They're at 9040. Eileen's been trying to help translate a little bit. Right now we're trying to get their drivetrain just to work, and later they have ideas for what they want their intake to look like, so we're trying to put together a good intake at the same time and see how much we can get working.
Like, we know everything works, it drives. We have an idea for like an intake arm. We ditched our first idea and now we're working on this idea where the arm is like two parts, where like it just comes down, scoops up a ball and brings it over the bumper, and then it'll shoot out. We're just like working on like getting all the speed controllers because we need 4 motors, and it's really like slow right now, but we should be making progress in a little bit.
Okay, so what have you been doing with your robot recently?
We've trying to build the intaker, and we've just finished about the driving thing, but we are having a problem because we don't have all the parts, and we're trying to solve it.
My most memorable experience is watching Adam break down.
Where there's people hoarding boxes of hex bearings. We were looking all day for hex bearings. We found them in that box.
They're really excited about learning and building robots and competing. The teams that we've been working with, I think that we've taught them a lot, which is really good. We've been kind of limited with the resources that we have, and we've been making it work. So we built some robots, and we're going to see if they work on the field soon, hopefully.
What are we about to do?
Climb a mountain.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
We hiked up the mountain, hiked down the mountain. Yeah, we walked downstairs. But we're finally at the hotel now, and there's a really great view right here. And it's finally not very hot. It's like really nice up here.
We went up the mountain. The hike wasn't as hard as I expected. They made it seem like it would be very strenuous, but it was actually pretty easy. And along the way, the view was beautiful. We got some wonderful pictures. I can't wait to show to my family. I think Justin also saw the sunrise. Would you like to comment on the sunrise?
Yeah, we got to get up at 5 a.m. luckily and go see the sunrise from our hotel, which is near the top of the mountains, which is a cool experience.
Woke up at 4:45 and right now it's 5:23. We came outside to see the sunset with the Yellow Mountains, and as you can see, I could see most of it.
So tell me, how does the sun set in the morning?
So we just set up our pit. It's about 8:30.
Yeah.
So hot in there. Recent problems with the crate, because our drill was in the crate,
The hallway.
so we couldn't get open the crate. But overall, we got everything.
Screwdrivers either.
Yeah, we didn't have any screwdrivers, but overall, we got everything done that we did, and we're ready for tomorrow.
We're both gonna try out for operator.
Someone's gonna win.
It's gonna be me.
It's not gonna be her. Not
It's gonna be me.
Can you tell me about being human player?
That was different. I've never actually played on the field once, so this was kind of cool. I got to bowl onto the field. That was awesome. I've never done that before, so yay!
What's it like being driver? How's it different from being operator?
You have to be more concentrated on the robot, while as operator I was focused, focused on the surroundings, while Josh was focused on the robot. So it's a little bit different. I have to train myself to look at the robot in a different way.
So I'm booth coach now, which means I get to boss people around. It's a lot of fun. Strategy's fun. It's also good because I can speak Chinese and I can talk to the other team.
I got interviewed by the junior reporter for the Shanghai News.
Really?
He was just a little tiny kid and he spoke better English than I did.
We helped the Chinese teams the first couple days, and then Yellow Mountains, and then helping them again. And then this competition, it's been really nice and it's really fun.
Hi, I'm here with May Rose. May, what just happened?
I just met Andy Baker. Oh my gosh, he's so famous.
He is very famous. Are you excited, May? May, what did he do when he came over to you?
He said that he was looking for me, and I said I wanted his autograph, and he autographed my book that I'm scouting it.
I went down to do a line selection, and after a lot of kind of surprise picks for us, 2468 picked us, and we accepted. After some determination between us, we decided on picking 9043, and we're actually very happy with our team. We think that we'll do pretty well and hopefully make it at least to the semifinals or the finals.
It went pretty well. We got the ball jammed a couple of times, which is a problem we've been having for a while. But it went well. We won. We're going to everyone's favorite driver. 做的我们本来的从哪开始的？对，现在在机器人上是什么？